A pretty simple music video effect. Today's video is sponsored by Rick and Morty. Open your clip in the Fusion page, and add a merge node. Bring a time speed node in empty space. Connect your clip to this, and then to the merge as a foreground. Right-click to the delay slider and select to modify it with shake. Go to the Modifiers tab, and bring down the smoothness slider. Set the minimum slider to -15, and the maximum slider to 15. Go back to the Tools tab, and increase the sample spread slider. Select the merge node. Go to the Settings tab, and uncheck one of the color channels. Bring a glow node after the merge. Adjust the shine threshold and the spread slider to your liking. Right-click to the gain slider, and select to modify it with shake. Go to the Modifiers tab, and bring down the smoothness slider. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, why you've waited till the end?